Let's do 7BF. We need to find the probability between z value that is greater than negative 2.8 and less than 1.6. Now we know that we need to use the normal distribution table to find the probability, but in a normal distribution table we do not have the probabilities for a z value which is negative. So what we will do here is first we will understand what is the area required if this is 0 and this is negative 1.6, this is negative 2.8. So we want to find the probability in between, which is this one. Now since we do not have negative z values in our table, we will use symmetry to find the answer for this question. We will draw another bell curve. So this is 1.6 and this is 2.8. If we find the probability between 2.8 and 1.6, it will be the same as the probability between negative 2.8 and negative 1.6. So if we use the z value 2.8 and find the probability, we will be able to find the probability all the way up till the end of the bell curve, which is all this portion. This is all the probability of 2.8, because the probability distribution table gives us the probability to the left of any z value. So now we can find the probability of 2.8 till the end of the bell curve, and in this similar way we will find the probability of 1.6, which is again till the end of the bell curve, all of this. So from the total probability, which is the probability of 2.8, which is all of this, if we subtract the probability of 1.6, which is all of this, which is probability of 1.6 all the way to the left, we will be left with the probability of this region, which is our required region. So let us use the table and find the probability to the left of z value 2.8. So 2.8 is 0.9974, 0.9974. So 0.9974, and probability against the z value 1.6. 1.6 is 0.9452. We can subtract the two probabilities. So 0.9974 minus 0.9457, which is equal to 0.0517. And this is the same as the probability required in this part, which is greater than negative 2.8 and less than negative 1.6. And this is because of the symmetry of the bell curves that the two answers are equal.